Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best clamps in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying clamps. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. IRWIN Quick Grip Clamps. This pack includes 4 IRWIN mini clamps that feature a 6-inch bar. They are equipped with non-marring pads which are designed to protect your work from damage. Each clamp is capable of delivering 150 pounds of clamping force. A set of cleverly designed mini clamps that can easily be operated by using just one hand. Because these mini clamps only have a 6-inch bar, they are best for lighter duty clamping tasks. At number 2. Yost LV4 Home Vise 4-inch. Buyers like its utility and price. Included diagram makes mounting measurements easy. Rust resistant. Clamps precisely enough to crimp wires. An inexpensive vise for the garage workshop that's perfect for smaller jobs. You may need to rig a shim or bushing to hold the swivel bolt securely. Multiple reports of slop in the swivel pivot bolt, making it hard to tighten the vise. Metric bolts required to mount vise to your workbench. Some reports of breakage at the jaw. Unit is smaller than some expected. At number 1. Bessey GSCC 2.524 2.5-inch by 24-inch economy clutch style bar clamp. Delivers good holding force without the worry of warping or breaking parts off. Tightens well with no play in the mechanism, allowing for a precise hold. For light to medium pressure DIY projects like repairing furniture or picture frames, this clamp is a perfect fit, balancing quality and price. Release button can be awkward to use. Will bow out a bit when clamping heavier materials together. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.